What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that processes, stores, and displays information. It takes input from the user, performs calculations or operations, and provides the result as output. A computer is made up of two main parts: hardware and software. Hardware includes the physical components like the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. Software is a set of instructions or programs that tell the computer what to do. Computers are known for their speed, accuracy, and ability to store large amounts of data. They are used in nearly every part of modern life, from education and business to healthcare and entertainment. Main components of a computer. The most important parts of a computer include CPU, Central Processing Unit, often called the brain of the computer. It performs all processing and calculations. Monitor, this displays the output from the computer. Keyboard, used to enter data and commands into the computer. Mouse, helps navigate and select items on the screen. RAM, random access memory, temporarily stores data while the computer is in use. Hard drive, stores data and files permanently. All these parts work together to make the computer function properly.